Brocha Bray an taine matar an Toran agus fioc mé mar tna haitna ta luithe san óran an seo Brocha. Fur mé an Toran ó móintir Ceol Nunamic Braid agus is é ceantam na hóran is Farlam.
One night as I lay slumbering in my silent bed alone, some rakish thoughts came to my mind, which caused me for to roam, for to leave my native country and the weak girl I do adore. So I thought it fit to take a trip and leave old Erin's shore. The night before I went away, I was walking up Brocha Hill. I met my darling upon the road, and her eyes with tears did fill. Stay you at home, dear John, she said, and do not go away, for I'll have none to comfort me when you are on the sea. But when we landed at Greenock shore, the people all gathered around. They said I was a rakish lad, come to cut the harvest down. They told me to return home and never more be seen. So without delay I sailed straight away for Erin's lovely green. Now Brocha Bray's a grand wee place where nice wee girls live in. You would think they were the nightingale when they sit down to sing, where the salmon and trout do sport about round Logainm's verdant shore, and let them all say what